How can electronic components dismantled from waste computer motherboards be sorted more accurately and efficiently? After dismantling, the collected material contains a complex mixture of electronic components. These materials vary greatly in size, shape, color, and composition. Because of this complexity, precise separation cannot be achieved with only one sorting machine. Our sorting process combines size sorting machine, strong and weak magnetic separator, and AI-powered optical sorting machine. 1. Combined size sorting machine. Two, strong and weak magnetic separator. Three, AI-powered optical sorting machine.